she angry or what? This is hard work. It's her 9 to 5.
DJ with an attitude.
DJ with an attitude. So it's Friday. It's also New Year's Eve. What I wanted to do to end the year strong is to pray Jummah namaz in a masjid, in the local masjid. See, the thing is, I have not actually set foot in a masjid since the pandemic started. So that is probably, yeah, the last time I went to pray Jummah Salah was the Friday before lockdown in March of 2020. So it's been almost 2 years. A lot has happened in 2 years. Now it's the end of 2021. We're in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is our new home. I also have a new child, so a lot's been going on. But I did want to just finish off this year by praying in the masjid. I found a few on Google, and then there's one that's about 2 miles from here. It's closer to the ocean actually, so that's cool. I don't want to walk because it is 2 miles, so I am gonna have to drive. I just don't want to get nasty and sweaty on the way or even back here. They did have some good reviews, and apparently they also have a school, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. Hi. I've never used this. How long this stick is. That's actually pretty cool.
All right, what are we doing?
I'm just, using it, staring at the camera, talking. I'm about to go shortly. Didn't you just take a shower?
It's really hot in here.
It's really hot today.
It's hot and humid outside. It's burning hot.
Is it really? Shoot.
Good luck with that stuff you got on.
Here I am. I don't know where we're supposed to go. One of the brothers told me that the women enter through this area. So I'm saying this is where we enter. And we take our shoes off over here. But no one's here yet. I guess I'm really early. I think Jummah's supposed to start at 1 over here. So I guess I'm the first sister here. I'm just gonna wait.
لقوله سبحانه وتعالى وربك يخلق ما يشاء ويختار. كذلك فضل الله سبحانه وتعالى بعض الأيام عن بعضها البعض، فعندما خلق هذه الأيام ضلت بعض الأمم عنها، فاليهود كما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم ضلت عن يوم الجمعة.
Okay, where are my shoes? What the hell? I just want to say that it felt really good to pray in a masjid today. It was really nice. It's like that energy that you get when you sit in the masjid, you go through the khutbah, the imam says all the du'as, and you just feel so elated. So I'm glad I got to do that today. One thing though, so I mean, this is common in Muslim culture where, you know how when you go, you're in the masjid and you take off your shoe, and sometimes when you come back out and to put your shoes back on so you can leave, someone takes your shoes, and usually it's some auntie. Okay, can I have my shoes back? Thank you. Or you just wait and allow them to put it back, and then you get it. Usually they'll just use your shoes to use the restroom in or whatever. But my shoes are not flip-flops, they're heeled. It was like a teenage girl who wore them in the restroom. I didn't know teenage girls did that. I thought they were part of the group that got tired of, you know, people using your shoes. Disappointed. I was disappointed that some girl decided to use my shoes. But, you know, whatever. I was like, can we trade shoes? Those are mine. And then she's like, oh, I'm so sorry. Here you go. And I'm like, here, you can have these. And I wore these giant old flip-flops that I found to use the restroom. I actually panicked at first when my shoes were gone because these are brand new. But I had this feeling that I should check the bathroom because I don't think someone really intends to steal your shoes. They just use them. People just use any pair of shoes to go use in the restroom. And this is very common. So, you know, why the heck? There's so many other flip-flops and things like that that you can just use. Why did they choose to use my new heels to go to the bathroom in? That's what bothers me. But I mean, it's fine. You know, I just had a feeling that someone took them to the restroom. So I went to the restroom and I saw this teenage girl wearing my shoes, and I asked for them back. And she said sorry, and I'm fine. So now I'm just gonna go back home and see what the thing is. Normally Jummah starts, well, where I came from in California, it's usually around 12:30. This actually started at 1:30. So it's 2:20 now, and I am out a lot later than I planned on. I actually left before 12 because I was trying to get here by 12 so that I wouldn't miss anything, but now I know it doesn't even start till 1:30, so I just kind of waited around. But it's cool. I got some things done on my phone during that time, and then when the khutbah started and everything was good and peachy, I was ready to go. So yes, it's a little bit later than I'm going home a little bit later than when I expected. Hope everyone's fine at home. I hope Amara's not giving Namdi too much of an issue. I hope she's not crying. I hope everything's fine and no one's frustrated. But we're gonna find out when I get home.